taking off, I'm so high.
Look what I did now.
I'm okay, because me clean every day. Clocks and my beat me change 3 times a day. Boy, out and
look what I did now. That made D2 Block come back with a vengeance. He's taking it to the mansion. Matter of fact, the big mansion. January 15th, Martin Luther King Saturday. Atlanta, get ready for Limelight. Limelight, a night where everybody gets to shine. Be your own bartender. We provide the venue, we provide the music, we provide the clubs, and we provide the chasers. You provide your own bottles, as much bottles as you want bring, and bring your friends there, and they can bring their bottles. And it's just about South Florida's #1 award winning song, Encore!
The whole of my real friends know how the thing.
Yeah, man, the whole Encore family are come shell on Atlanta, man!
You know what, no straight.
I'm drinking.
We also got a live photo shoot with Wicked Photography. So models come out. So blasting on January 15th beside the mansion. 4301 River Road. Right to the Inwood, Georgia. Admission only $20 before 1 o'clock. So get there early. It's more than a movement. It's a new republic movement. Fashion amongst fashion. Swag amongst style. Limelight. It's young as you shine.
If you want it, you can get it for the rest of your life.
Something wrong, I hold my head. MJ gone, I nigga dead. I slapped my girl,